Hey second graders, it's Thursday. We are here with our last math video for the week and we have another graph to learn about. Mrs. Grant, what kind of graph do we have here today?
Well, we have what's called a bar graph.
Ooh, why is it called a bar graph?
Because what you do here is when you figure out how many people represent or how many numbers represent that object, you shade in a bar up to that number. So see, this bar goes up to 2, this bar goes all the way up to 6, and these like rectangles are called bars.
Oh, okay. So a rectangle is a bar for the information on a bar graph.
Yes.
I like it. All right. So today we have a bar graph that is representing marbles in a bag. And it looks like along the left side of the bar graph, we have the number of marbles. And along the bottom, we have 4 different colors of marbles. We've got red, blue, green, and purple. So, excuse me, let's take a look at some of the questions that we need to answer today. Question number 1 asks, how many green marbles are in the bag?
All right, so I need to first find where it talks about green, which is right here, and then I need to go up to the top of the bar and see what line it stops at, which is 4. So there must be 4 green marbles in the bag.
All right, so that wasn't so bad. I'm just going to put a number 4 on the line. Let's see if it gets a little bit trickier. Number 2 asks, how many more blue marbles than purple marbles are in the bag?
Okay,
so
more than is comparing, and that means I have to subtract and find the difference. So I know that it's blue and purple, you circled those, so I need to first figure out how many blue there are. It goes all the way up to 6.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna write that there.
Yeah.
And it looks like there's 3 purple marbles, so I'm gonna subtract 6 minus 3, which gives me 3.
Ah, so there are 3 more blue marbles than purple marbles in the bag. That makes sense. So the more than is a comparison question.
Yeah.
Okay, question number 3. How many marbles are in the bag?
Oh, they didn't give us a specific color, and they said how many marbles. Maybe they mean how many total marbles. Maybe we need to count all of them up.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Maybe do the bar graph part, and I'm gonna do some recording.
Okay, so we have 2 red marbles. Maybe you can make some tally marks.
Ooh, I like
cool,
that.
So
okay.
2 red up to 6 blue, so add 6 more.
1, 2, 6.
Okay, we've got 4 green.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And we've got 3 purple.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so now we just have to add all our tally marks up, and that'll tell us how many total marbles we had.
Okay, well.
It looks like you've got 3 groups of 5. You can skip count by 5s.
All right, so 5, 10, 15.
Yes.
So there are 15 marbles total.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well.
Do you have a challenge for
I
me?
sure do.
You always do.
I love a good challenge question. Okay. I want to know I want to know more than purple and red together. So if we were, let me look at the other question. Let me just make sure that I wrote my challenge correctly. Okay. Oh no, what did I do here?
It's good.
I want to know, are there any colors in the bag that are more than purple and red together?
More than purple and red together? Well, first I have to figure out how much purple and red together is.
Yeah.
Right? I need to add my purples to my reds. So 3 plus 2 is 5.
Yep.
3 plus 2 is 5. So there's a total of 5 purple and reds.
Yep.
So is there a number of marbles that is more than 5? Yes. There are 6 blue marbles. So that one is more than red and purple combined.
That was tricky.
It was.
And there is a question like that on the back. In fact, I even got tricked. I had to look back. Even teachers get tricked sometimes. That was really a 2-step question.
Yeah.
So they need to be able to find the information on the bar graph and add those 2 numbers together and compare it to something else on the graph. So 2 separate steps. But if you follow it along with this question, you should be able to get it on the back. All right. Good luck, boys and girls.
Good luck.